Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to Start Funnels. Today I want to chat with you about a specific person that has made $43,000 in a 12-month span, pretty much from YouTube doing affiliate marketing, okay? So I'm going to make this video short and specific to share with you guys how it can be done, all right? So this person is Marrow. Karen Marrow. And in this video, I'm going to play this right now.
1,000 plus in 12 months came from this exact training right here. And I can't tell you how life-changing this can be.
So Karen has made $43,000 in the last 12 months. And she invested her money and time into learning from someone that knows what they're doing. Who was that? That person was Joshua Elder. Joshua Elder has now created a program where he teaches all about YouTube and affiliate marketing. And he's teamed up with a business partner. His name is Brian Dixon. Now he knows paid ads. He knows Facebook paid ads really, really well and has an agency, and he's made 7 to 8 figures for people in their businesses using Facebook ads. So they have teamed up and created this thing called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. And it has been updated. They went through some changes, and there's going to be more and more updates and things. I like to jump on the opportunity while it's starting out, because there's an opportunity, right? You can jump in and be an affiliate for this program too. So you can not only learn how to make $43,000 in 12 months just doing organic stuff and not having to pay for paid ads like what Karen has done. So all of that stuff was organically. But yes, you can learn all that stuff and promote other products, and Josh will teach you how with this product. And there's a link below. It's called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. It's not cheap, but it's an investment where you can get your money back plus make more. It is investing in a business. Think of it as like a franchise. If you want to buy McDonald's, you have to pay good money to be able to own that franchise, and everything is kind of ready to rock and roll. You just follow the manual and you can make money. That's how this is really. And then they're going to add in the future a done-for-you system. So they teach you how to do all these things, and there's weekly calls, etc. And that's something that Karen just did a video about right here, where she explains the new updates. And the coolest thing about Karen is that she's just herself. She's not like this hypey person that sells, all this stuff on YouTube. She just, her calm voice, and shares about interesting products that are new and upcoming, does a review on them, and then she does, some other types of videos, and she gets results. And it's all about results. So she's a student for the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. So am I, and there's a great community that is within it. And we are here to learn affiliate marketing. And Joshua and Brian are here to help us really learn affiliate marketing, and then also be able to sell high ticket items. It doesn't have to be promoting just high ticket affiliate. If you're promoting Legendary Marketer, this would be a great fit for you, because you can learn ways to do traffic, paid or organic. They're going to teach you, and all sorts of other products. In fact, Karen does a review on the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator and talks about the Launchjacking, and that's where she's earned a lot of her money. And once again, that's all from this training. So Karen also mentions that she went to a traditional, college, university, where she paid like $15,000 for her education, and that's her job. And she's like, I've made $43,000 in 1 year, rather than having to go to school for 1 year and pay $15,000. You pay a little bit for this training. So what's the gist of this video? If you pay for the right training and you implement and you apply their teachings, you will be successful. But you've got to have the right training, you got to have the right mentors, and that's what the HTA is for. So I highly recommend it. So check out the link below and let me know if you're interested. All right, you guys, have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.